Learn to read with ABCetc, Learning Made Easy. In this module, you will use the alphabet arc to recite the letters sequence, names, and the sound of the alphabet. Revise the vowel letter sounds. Learn what syllables are. Learn the types of syllables. The alphabet arc. Let's form an alphabet arc using the lowercase letters. Place A at the beginning. A, A. Place Z at the end. Z, Z. Place letters M and N at the middle. M, N, N. Now arrange the rest of the alphabet letters in an arc shape and call out the letters B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, S, T, T, U, H, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y. Vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels have two sounds each, but do not sound the same. One is short and the other one says its name. Short vowels sound A, E, I, E, O, U, H. Long vowel says its name. A, E, I, O, U. Y makes three sounds. At the start of words, Y makes a consonant sound. Yeah. Yam. At the end of short words, Y sounds I. Fly. At the end of long words, Y sounds E. Baby. Syllables. What are syllables? The types of syllables. A syllable is a single unbroken sound of a spoken word. Every word is made up of letters. Each letter has its own sound. When you add all these sounds together, you get a word that you can read. Words are made up of different parts called syllables. Syllables are the smallest sound that make up words. A syllable always has a vowel sound. Syllables, one vowel sound equals one syllable. For example, car. One syllable is in car. Baby. Two syllables make up the word baby. Umbrella. Umbrella comprises three syllables. Helicopter. Four syllables make up the word helicopter. University. 5 syllables make up the word university. Syllable patterns. Reading longer words accurately and fluently requires knowledge of syllable patterns. There are different types of syllable patterns, 2 of which are closed syllables and open syllables. Closed syllables. Vowel is closing at the end by a consonant. For example, cat. When a vowel is closed in, it makes a short sound. Cat. Open syllables. The vowel is open when it is split into syllable parts and is not closed in at the end by a consonant. For example, baby. When a vowel is not closed in by a consonant, it makes a long sound and says its own name. Baby. This is the end of this session. In this module, we learned what syllables are, types of syllables. In the next session, we will learn sentences, and you are now able to read a set of words that is complete in itself. Learn to read with ABC ETC, Learning Made Easy.